Mike asks us for help hosting a house party. But what he doesn't know is we decided to send a little extra help.
Right then, we've got no time to waste. What are you cooking? That smells like shit. Who designed this place? The Pope? All the stained glass in the world cannot save this dinner. I mean, who would actually sit here? Oh my God, look at this football. I mean, are we gonna eat this too? This is rubbish. Is this your excuse for a cheese tray?
How's it going?
You've got to speed it up. This is carving, cutting, slicing, dicing. Put some weight into it, Michael.
Gordon's a great teacher. I've really learned a lot. You know, he can be a really nice guy once you get to know him. At least that's what I've heard.
What is this? It's frozen solid, Michael! You dummy! If it was any more frozen, Texas would have to turn off the power grids! In a short period of time, I was able to take Michael from a zero to a hero. What was that? I wouldn't even feed that to a pound puppy.
That was the water for the pasta.
Right. Oh, need some more salt then.